watching Itty Bitty Stars. It's time for instruments. Let's have a look at today's instrument. We've been looking at lots of instruments today, but we're looking at a tambourine. You can shake it, you can hit it, or you can tap it. Well done. We can use it in many different ways. And the coolest thing about a tambourine is it's kind of like a drum and kind of like some cymbals. So if you shake it like this, you're going to make that cymbal sound. And if you tap it either on your hand, or some people like to use their hip to make the tambourine work, then it sounds like a drum. Really cool. All right, let's have a listen to the tambourine. Number one, please. Oh, okay, so we'll hold it in our hands and we go shake, shake, shake. Let's try again. Shake, shake, shake. Excellent. And those little cymbals are going to be vibrating, making that sound. All right, let's try number two. Oh, that's fast. Nice and fast. Good job using that wrist. All right, let's try number three. Ooh, I heard a tap then of the drum. So we go tap, shake, shake. Let's try it together. Tap, shake, shake. Excellent. Now let's try it on our hip. So we go tap, shake, shake. Excellent job. Let's try something from the tricky column. All right. A, please. Oh, shake, 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 shake. That's a bit tricky. Shake, 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 shake. All right, let's try B. Oh, we're doing lots of shaking. Shake, 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 shake. Whoa, shake, 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 shake. Well done. That's really tricky. Let's try C. Oh my goodness. So it was two shakes, shake, shake, and then it was a tap shake. All right, I'm going to try it first. It goes shake, shake, tap, shake. Can you copy me? Shake, shake, tap, shake. Good job. Let's try it on our hip. We go shake, shake, tap, shake. I want to try that one again. Shake, shake, tap, shake. Yes! Amazing! Give yourself a big, big clap. Wow, a tambourine is lots of fun. Hi, it's Bec from Itty Bitty Stars. Enjoy this? Find our full online program in our portal, info below, or subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.